Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to split cell diagonally in Excel. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft Excel and now you want to split cells in diagonally, so what you have to do, here you will see I have a list of 2021, 2022 and 2023. This is the year in this column, and here in this row you will see product, chair, table, laptop and almirah. So I want to split this cell in two parts diagonally. Okay, so I can mention year and product also. So what you have to do, so first select the cell which you want to split. Okay, then right click, then here you will see format cell option, click on this, then here you will see like this. So here you have to just go to border. Okay, then here you will see option of like this, you can do this or you can split this like that, this diagonally. Okay, so like this you can split it. Okay, then you have to click on OK. So when you click on OK, you will see this is how you can split that cell. Okay, now you have to type like this. Okay, so then you have, what you have to do, you have, if you are using Windows, you have to just uh, press Alt plus enter. Okay, so and if you are using MacBook, you have to press option plus enter. Okay, then I'm going to enter here product. Okay, then move the air like this. Okay, so like this you can split a cell into two parts. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.